last group asked us that the plastic balls from the beach. Some of you remember they left here and went to DuPont Underground, which now does sort of events and installations. They had a bunch left that they hadn't used, so we have taken those 130,000 balls back and bought a ball cleaning machine, which we have been spending many hours cleaning the balls. One of the fun things about these projects, and this one especially, is finding these materials and building these relationships with these vendors. I mean, the foam, it's used for construction projects. If you go to him and say, you need to mill it out so it looks like siding and windows and roofs, it takes a lot of conversation, but we often get, and I know with the two manufacturers last year, they get very passionate about it and are really interested in helping us and working with us, and it's something different for them to do. I got an email from the phone guy today, make sure you're taking pictures of the whole process and final things so we can put them on our website. And our team has really taken on sort of with Paige sort of checking in as much as possible with building the house. Chris McClay, who's our master carpenter, he's built many houses before and brought in his buddies who have built houses. So, and this is pretty standard construction. There's nothing too special about it.
We're just asking him to build it in a week.
Yes. Yes.
Gypsum cast Air Jordans, the tennis shoe, that are hanging from the ceiling going down, which is a nod to one of our longest clients, who is a shoe brand in New York, and we've done all their stores. So this room is the bedroom. It is a project called Light Cavern, which was done in 2015 in Salone de Mobile in Milan. The original was 4,000 square feet, 30,000 ribbons coming from the ceiling, hand cut. Fun fact about this one is we had given them a complete height chart of 30,000 ribbons to cut it at a certain length, and they gave us a pair of scissors and said, you have 4 days. So this is the playroom. On top of the base will be a 12-foot long, or 12-foot tall marble run sculpture based on the children's toy of all the elements. Is that
what those things were over there?
Exactly. Right? Those the towers. It'll be in the living room. So every room has a extracted kind of nod to a function in the house. So we have a bathroom with a art crate that's full of the beach balls. We have a bedroom that's more like a dreamlike landscape. We have a kitchen and everything like that. So very much not like my home or your home, but the idea is that the feeling is there. And in the roof will actually be a recreation of an installation done in 2011 called Drift for Design Miami, which are a series of 16 and 12-foot tall round cylinders that are 2 feet in diameter that are inflated and then wedged between the rafters to create this undulating roof pattern. We have a couple of skilled fabricators that have been with us from the beginning, old employees, and they kind of came in for the very difficult projects that they've done multiple times. So it's really just been teamwork.